Day 6 of the n8n Hackathon. I've been deep in the image generation system and I want to show you what I figured out. So, the big challenge with AI image generation for film is consistency. Your character needs to look the same across every scene. So my solution, a Bible system, just like in real film production. You define your characters, props, and location up front. So this is what I've been doing so far. So we enter the studio. I have already a created project. I enter the studio, and here we have the Bible. So in the Bible, we have the characters, the locations, and the props, which are extracted from the script. And for each characters, I have 3 shots: the portrait, the free-form view, and the full body. So for each one, we can edit everything. So for somebody who is talented at prompting image, this is a guide for storytelling, not only something that is totally generated. So you can refine everything. So we have the visual DNA, and this visual DNA will be injected in the 3 shots to keep consistency. So first we generate the portrait, and here we can choose the model. Seedream, Nanobanana, or Flux, and text to image or image to image, because we can also upload images. If you have already actors or locations or props that you have, you can upload these images. So I figured out that the best way is to create an image with Seedream or Nanobanana. That's the best 2 models, and I'm using the AI, the key AI. And here we have all the models, so we have a unified API at better cost for image and video. And so once we have the portrait, the best way is to use this portrait for the 2 other shots and using image to image. And after that, we will do the locations. Again, we can upload an image, we can edit everything, and the props. Once we have all that, then we will go to the scenes and we will inject these images into the scenes. So here is the UI for the scenes. So I hope that tomorrow I will be there. And something interesting I run into when you prompt, for example, a man in his 40s of a certain archetype, AI models default to celebrity faces. And so I was getting a perfect Leonardo DiCaprio. Okay, and so I don't want that. And so I made research and realized that I have to put more details, distinguished features, for example, a nose shape, or is half Italian, half German, something that is not common, to force the model to create an original face instead of pattern matching to a celebrity. So then this is the images that I have been playing with, and Nanobanana has been given very good results. So this is a Nanobanana one, and Seedream. So this has been playing with the interface, and then I injected this image to generate the next one. For example, here, okay, you can see the character consistency between these 2. On the text side, I have created this n8n workflow, a bit with the text to workflow generation, but then I've been changing things, but we will see that later. And it takes all the model with the Kai API. And also I'm using the n8n MCP to connect my Next.js application directly to my n8n workflow. So the MCP is able to figure out which is the webhook URL, to add that to my environment variables, and also to find which is the output schema, and to create the layout on the front end based on that. So I hope that tomorrow I will be able to generate the image Bible and to use them to generate the image scenes. More very soon.